Afternoon, everyone. So, I would like to start this session with some questions. So, Surya sir, please stand up.
Sir,
How did you come to college today?
by train.
Okay, well done. Sit down, please. Rajesh sir, please stand up.
Sir,
Where we are seated now?
in the chair.
Well done. Sit down, please. Please observe me. What is this? Okay.
Textbooks.
And this one?
Table.
What I have done now?
You threw the book, sir.
Okay. Please observe. According to Francis sir, I threw the book. According to Nagarjuna sir, I placed the book on the table. So here, I want to explain these small words on, by the train, seated in the classroom. Here, in, by, on. What are these small words? Can anybody guess?
Prepositions, sir.
Prepositions, right. So according to parts of speech, these small words are called prepositions. So today our topic name is prepositions. What is meant by preposition? A small word, a small word which gives the relationship between a noun or pronoun with the other words in the sentence. It shows the relationship between the other words. That is called preposition. There are so many prepositions in English grammar. So, here it is. Prepositions, preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of direction and movement, and preposition of manner, complex prepositions. So, especially in this class, I want to teach you about preposition of place. What is preposition of place? Especially the preposition of place, I want to discuss about on and over. What is preposition on? That means there must be a mutual contact between the two items, like this one. I placed the book on the table. Have you ever find a mutual contact between the table and the book? Yes, nice. Uh, we are using the preposition on. And let us give you one more example. The cat is on the wall. There is a mutual contact between the cat and the wall. So, I am uttering the point that is mutual contact. When there is a mutual contact between two things, then we must have to use preposition on, especially in preposition of place. So, in the case of we are using preposition on, there must be mutual contact. In the preposition of place, it's okay. Remaining situations, so many types of prepositions are there. Preposition of time and preposition of manner, preposition of and movement or direction. Preposition. Yes, sir. Preposition. So, in this context, I would like to explain preposition of place. And over. When will we use over? In the preposition over, there should not be any mutual contact. I mean, A flight is flown over the city. Let us see the pictures. The book is on the table, there must be a mutual contact, and the plane flew over the city. Is there any direct contact between the city and the plane? No. So I want to explain that when the proposition over, we have to use must not be any mutual contact to city and the plane, and there must be a direction also. In the plane, is there any direction? Yes. So there must be a direction and there is no mutual contact. In these two cases, we must use the preposition over. What is that? Over. Let me give you one more example. The butterfly flew over the tree. There is a butterfly that is flying over the tree. Is there any touch between the butterfly and the tree? But I am telling the case, the butterfly is flown over the tree. It has already passed from the tree. So is there any possibility to touch the tree?
Actually, butterflies, they stop on the trees itself, sir.
Yeah, actually, but that butterfly did not want to stop there. The
Okay.
butterfly has already left the tree. So
Okay.
I want to explain that the butterfly has already left the tree
Okay.
from other place. The butterfly flew over the tree. So there is no contact between the butterfly and tree,
Maybe, sir.
and it's already left from the tree. So in these two cases, we use the prepositions on and over. So I hope that you all get my point, right? When will we use preposition on? Is there mutual contact or very? So when will we use preposition over? And with a direction is there. If we use, okay, it's okay. There is a little bit confusion in the prepositions. Over and above. When we will use preposition above, it seems to be same but not same. Over, when will we use preposition over, there must be a direction and there must be a very much space. But the preposition above, there must not be any direction or movement in the second object. Let me give you one example. There is a fan. So over the head is right or above the head is right? Above the head, very good. So we are using the preposition above only because there is no direction in the fan. So it's standby. So I want to convey you, when there is no direction in the second object, then we will use preposition above. And is there any direction and over our head? When we will use preposition over. If there is any mutual contact between these two items, then we will use preposition on. Are you getting my point? Have you any doubts? Okay. Please watch the slide. On shows that a mutual contact between two things, and over shows that higher than something without any direct contact. So this is what I want to teach you all. So I want to give you a test.
Sir, excuse me, I have a doubt, sir.
Please.
If somebody says, please take the book over there.
Actually, sir, we are discussing the preposition of place.
Okay, sir.
So you are asking the doubt about preposition of manner. So in this scenario, in this class, we are discussing about preposition of place only. So in the other class, from the next class, we are going to teach about remaining prepositions.
Okay, sir.
But you already thought over, sir. You thought over today.
Sir?
You thought over today, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what you already thought. I think what Mr. Francis is asked valid question.
Please repeat that, sir. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please complete this task. Sir, parleda. It is- Okay, okay. Please tell me, sir. Okay. Okay, students. Who got out of marks 6 out of 6? So, okay. First question answer. I left my keys dash kitchen counter this morning. But we are discussing about on and over in this class.
Okay.
So, it is also possible. That's why there is no option in. Okay, I left my keys on kitchen counter this morning. First question. Because contact, say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Second question. There is a small scratch. Dash the screen of my phone. There is a small scratch on the screen of my phone. Because scratch is on the phone. Third question. I put a warm blanket here. Please guess the answer.
On my legs.
On my legs while watching TV.
Yes.
Okay. There is a controversy. What is that controversy? Here, something covered our something, another thing, but there not be any direction. There must not be any direction, but covering it. Whenever something is covering something, then we will use the preposition over.
But
So,
there is mutual contact between.
okay,
legs
but
and-
that thing is covering something.
Okay, sir.
That thing covering something.
Okay, sir.
Then we will use the preposition over.
Okay, sir.
Sir? Yes, sir, yes. Yes, that's what I want to check you from the questions only. And fourth question. She was sitting dash the sofa watching a movie. Answer please.
On
On,
on the sofa.
on the sofa. Next. Why not over? Very good. Because there is no, what is the difference? I said already. There is a mutual contact between she and the sofa. Next, fifth question. We flew dash the Himalayas on our way to Delhi.
We flew
Wow.
on
Very good, very good. Next, sixth question. You can find the information dash page 24 of the book.
on the page
On-
24.
Very good. Well done.